our 10 liters natural gas rice cooker. First off, the overall dimensions. Measurements for the rice bowl. We have a radius of 19 inches and a height of 8.5 inches. Total height, counting the bottom, we have at least 15 inches. Cup and scoop included. And like the rest of our natural gas rice cookers, top must be removed. The top plate taken out to ignite the flame before cooking. Coming to the side will be the connection for your gas line. And to the side here will be a sticker with the technical specifications and information for this rice cooker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website cookerGF20Y-10L-A.com for more information on this product. Thank you.